batch 2007 Chemical Engineering.
We want to interview your mom as some guidelines in our studies in the future studies of engineering. What is chemical engineering for you?
Chemical engineering for me kasi, it's ang connotation lang is that it's the general engineering. So, ang connotation talaga ng chemical engineering is that kahit sa ang industry ka ilagay, pwede.
So, do you plan to become a SAG in the first place?
Not really. Nung nag-take ako ng USTET, my first choice then was computer science. And then second choice was accountancy. So, unfortunately, I failed both. Hindi ako nakaabot sa quota. So, I tried yung third choice na list. So, when I got there, chinek lahat nung mga courses na pwede ako. So, I had at least a week para mag-decide kung ipo-course ko talaga yung course. So, ang na-shortlist ko doon is chemical engineering, one is occupational therapy, and last one is education. So, ang nag-weigh in sa chemical engineering sa choice ko is during high school kasi, mas na-enjoy ko yung chemistry part ng high school. So, that urged me na mag-take ng chemical engineering.
So, habang tinatapos niyo po yung chemical engineering po sa UST, natutunan niyo rin naman kung mahalin yung course.
Yes. Actually, dapat mag-shift din ako after my first year. So, second year talaga, for shifting na ako. Kaso nung nalaman ko yung yung process kung paano ako mag-shift, sabi ko na lang, patunayan ko na to. So, I stayed for the entire 5 years.
So, yung in your study, yung panahon po ng sa study ko, ano po yung goal niyo bago po mag-graduation? Ano po
goal? Syempre, ang ultimate goal is sana makapasa sa lahat ng subjects. Yung talagang hindi ka madedelay. Yun lang talaga yung goal ko. Kaso nga lang yun, hindi siya natupad. Nahirapan talaga.
Yes. Ano po yung naging goal niyo after makagraduate na po kayo?
After graduation naman, ang target ko talaga is to pass the board. So, ang ginawa ko nun, hindi ako nag-work. Unlike yung ibang classmates ko na nag-part-time sa work and then part-time din sa review. So, ako nag-full-time review ako. So, nag-enroll ako sa review school. Tapos, para wala nang istorbo sa review. Walang work. Hindi.
Pero na,
pass talaga. Fortunately, nakapasa.
Ano po yung past job niyo, tsaka career?
Actually, I'm still on my first job. I work as a project staff for UNIDO. That's United Nations Industrial Development Organization, an agency of the United Nations. So, ang common goal kasi ng UNIDO is to provide mga technologies to developing countries like the Philippines na makaka-address sa mga problems natin with the environment.
Ano po yung experience yung habang nasa job po kayo?
During my job hunting, ang hirap talaga makahanap ng work kasi I think I have had at least 5 interviews siguro. Lahat yun turn down talaga. So, ito, nung dumating tong opportunity na to, sinuwerte naman nakuha ako for the job.
So, ano po yung experience po during the job?
Syempre, nung una, medyo kapaka pa sa first job mo. I think that was my first 2 months eh. Pero nung tumagal na, since yung nakaprocess ng brain mo is the same lang every day. So, more learning experience for me. So, ngayon, 2 years na ako mag 2 years ako sa job. So, maganda naman yung maganda ng experience.
Ano na po yung goal niyo in the future?
In the future kasi, since project basis lang kami sa work, so definitely hindi naman forever nandun kami sa UNIDO. So, after siguro na project namin next year, that's 2011, I'll try to find another job. Kumbaga hindi naman sa kapareho ng work ko kasi I never envisioned myself na mag-work sa planta talaga. Talagang ang ko talaga is nasa office lang. So hopefully makahanap ako ng work na office related din. Pero chemical engineering related talaga.
Ano po yung pwede niyo pong i-tips po para sa inspiring SAGs?
Siyempre, ang tip lang dyan is talagang give your best every time. So, kung may exams kayo, may quiz kayo, huwag kayong papadala sa mga sa mga temptations na watch muna ako TV, play muna ako computer games. Kung ang goal nyo talaga is makapasa sa mga quizzes, para wala kayong problema sa sa finals or sa prelims, mag-invest na kayo sa quizzes pa lang. So, talagang study hard lang talaga and pray harder.
Sige, salamat po, ma'am.
Exclusive CJ Mayor.